In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to track your orders using the Shop app. Let's get started. First, launch your Shop app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, click on the profile icon. Then click on the settings icon. Once you're in this page, you're going to find different option. You'll also be able to find order tracking sources. You'll need to click on that option. In case that option is not available over here, what you can do is click on this tab. You'll be directed to the same page. Here you'll be able to connect services like Google, Outlook, or even Amazon, so the app can automatically import your order confirmations and tracking details. Once connected, the Shop app will automatically detect your purchases and display shipping addresses directly inside the app, so you won't need to manually enter tracking number anymore. You'll be able to see whether your package is processing, shipped, in transit, or delivered all in one place. This makes it super easy to manage and track all your online orders from different stores without checking multiple emails. And that's basically how you can track your orders using the Shop app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.